everyone, welcome back to another quarantine quick tip. The topic I want to talk about today is the glass and cup cabinet. Now let's face it, we tend to collect way too many of these things. Think about it. We have your small glasses, we have your tall glasses, we have your wine glasses, we have your cocktail glasses, we have tea and coffee cups, we have plastic cups, we have shaker cups, we have your regular coffee mugs, your travel mugs, we have your holiday mugs, and even souvenir mugs. Let's face it, sometimes we collect way too many of these mugs. There's no such thing. Okay, if you've been watching the previous quarantine quick tips, you know what I'm gonna say next. Your first step, as with every organizing process, is to clear the decks. So take everything out of your cup and glass cabinet and set it out either on your island or your kitchen table. Then, as I've stated before, you're gonna wanna wipe down those shelves. Trust me, you will be surprised at what collects over a year's time on those shelves. Then, once you have all your cups in one location, start sorting through them. Let go of those items that you haven't used in the last year or that don't really spark a lot of joy. Finally, when you've sorted out the things that you no longer need, start grouping your cups and glasses into like categories, like all the tall glasses together, all the short glasses together, all the cocktail glasses together. Group them into like categories and then reload them based on how often you use them. If these are your main source of cup that you use every day, put them on the easiest to reach shelf. And then put the items that you use rarely or very infrequently, put them on the highest shelf, or better yet, remove them all together so you have plenty of room for the items you do use daily. I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Please click that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. I'll catch you tomorrow.